ase ebunge ya burabu astokomanya gomna nigo omuiga obwa okomwenia omosubati Mary Sagini onyaka bagugwikiranwa n'abarai abo banyaka bakorawa amaono mwasiri w'ekisemi omusike Julius Migosi ogamba egati abarai banda bange ase ensemo yaye omwasiri Julius Migosi ogamba nigaira libagelio nakoboria ababwatani bonse banyaka bakobwaterana eliogosira aborokigwa chikage baganda kweroberia gochigokora amatemu amanene y'omwaka oiga omulikito Daniel Ntiri namange
gukwana asibiriro ime ya burabu ase kaunti ya Nyamira ugamba nigabolirie kubwaterana na bubwatani au ilio kwene kibuna chiskoro chega Kenya chagenderere gukora biya asa masomo na mono chinga kichigatoro chie asa matemu manene y'omwaka oyo.
We want each one of you to talk to our students, to talk to our learners, to talk to our teachers, to support them so that we can be able to do an exam that is even cleaner than the one we did last year. Umanyete abakusiiko nyentu chahili kwa sababu bana tanganko ibotora mathemo. Last year we used another system that ensured that mathemo ito are credible and clean. We want to carry on like that.
Ukwana chinga ki chibiriro haso moiga wikiranwa n'abarai au igati abo mugabana we county ya Nyamira umusiki Amos Nyaribo musiki Jafeth Nyakundi kurwa kitutu cha North mugabana umukoro we county ya Kisii igati ya Bande ugamba nigo chinga kicho agendera komochia balia bagopenge serikali goso opposition ubaboria gutwara umanyi boisaine chingaki bakoyechecheria omenta buna chingaki chiga ne chamagendero.
Complain with facts. Talk to people about facts. Votes. I'm not a joke. I've run for parliament from 2007 against Jimmy. I lost several times. And last 2022 I ran for governor. We were with Machogu. Tukaangushwa mpaka ikachichora chini. Alafu mzee tutakasema tumeonea huruma, wacha Machogu wafanye tu andafu na mimi nifanye tu andafu.
Asense mwende Nyaribo nigarwe segeto ase balia bakoriyo burai koira ngora chimbero chiabo nabona okoboko komosi na kuguka kora konyo muntu goswa bisi ase kerego kende yonsi keriemereta mate abaraya baiga baburia okoyegwa gwechimbwa chenye gusira bakwanira siasa nabande bakoyigikiria ase menga boneye
ambaria mokubo chikura abachikura na unyenyekevu ekiagara no rate segi kura chi komenta kana igo sabachikura bubuya ya bantu bara njema kuboyo onde agambe.
So if it were not for George Lawrence Sagi takanaje dindi yabuno muchu. So we appreciate this family, we appreciate Omongi na Mary Sagini esengenzo one Omongi na Sagini are very philanthropic.
Ebintu bire byasogeta muisonde buna naronje chiparanjire chingobe kwera Nyamira todigere isukuru maraje ndeke rwanda komote amoto penga ngakire ndi moto tiga Nyamira isika nande mbono noje ngamuwate pa election iga nyasio rwanda komote nenda mawo tarasaba kanai monye ngombe no boronge njena ya musuka aliye sana abatedi ngangwaka namba 6 nonde ekera ko nyoma Margaret abana baye bana Margaret no barega nje best manyomo ones igo. This is a family, as you can hear, that I know very well, that I've known all these years, and really for a long time. This is our journey as human beings. Ne sabari kuna mwanya bantu no koranga kina tolera paka ankyo kero mondo karanse ga ukatale sabari tatigonde tayo tagete SQ abega alibosio
nkurubathiriga daseni kya gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii literane nguru kwa Daniel Ntiri.